Are you looking for the best action camera? In this video we will look at some of the best action camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget. Number 1. GoPro HERO10. All-out speed and ultimate ease come together in the most powerful GoPro ever. HERO10 Black, ready for twice the performance. The revolutionary new GP2 chip shoots 5.3K video with double the frame rate superscript 1, 23MP photos, enhanced low light performance, and bar-shattering hyper-smooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes. To simplify things, HERO10 is cloud connected, so the moment you charge it, your footage is automatically uploaded to the cloud. Superscript 2. With your GoPro subscription and the Quick app, you get an ecosystem optimized for your GoPro with powerful, easy-to-use editing tools and a place to keep your best shots in one spot. And when the going gets rough, HERO10 Black's rugged and waterproof design offers go-anywhere versatility. Step up to the sharpest shooting GoPro ever, upgraded to incredible 23MP photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 FPS. HERO10 offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus there's 8x slow-mo at 2.7K. And you can pause videos and grab 15.8MP still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action. DJI is the global leader in civilian drones, aerial imaging technology, and creative camera technology. Find out more here in our DJI brand store on Amazon. The company is dedicated to making aerial photography and filmmaking equipment and platforms more accessible and easier to use for creators around the world. Its products are used every day by customers in over 100 countries for filmmaking, construction, inspection, emergency response, agriculture, conservation, and beyond. Rocksteady combines ease with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage, no matter how heavy the action gets. Dramatically enhance the dynamic range of your footage when recording with HDR video. Capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail. When you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 FPS, 4K 60 FPS at 100 megabits per second video ensures your footage always matches the intensity of the moment. Mode lets you store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes and exposure set. Number 3. AKASO Brave 7. AKASO Brave 7 La action camera is dedicatedly designed for vlogging your life. Its IPX7 water-resistant body enables your recording in all weathers. This waterproof camera is waterproof up to 3.3 ft1m without case within 30 mins. Equipped with 131 ft40m waterproof case, it can protect your camera well when you are doing water sports like swimming, surfing and diving, etc. This action camera comes with a newborn front screen to optimize your recording experience. You can easily take selfie photos and videos and see the real-time display just in front of the action camera. And the 2.0 back touchscreen is clear and vivid. It is made for easy operation and your convenience. Dual screen cannot be used at the same time. Its improved resolution helps you shoot stunning 4K 30fp and 1080p 60 fps videos, plus up to 20MP photos. Perfectly reappear your life moments without missing details and clarity. Powerful 6-axis gyro design can correct vibrations when you are moving fast. It makes the recording much steady and smooth than other 4-axis ACE camera. Number 4. Akaso V50X. Durable by design. Akaso V50X underwater camera is waterproof to 131 feet, 40 meters with a housing. You can dive up to 40 meters in depth. Turn on the diving mode. It can filter the red light underwater. Just download the AKASO GO app on your phone or tablet. You can real-time operate or review the images or videos and share your pictures and videos directly to social media. 2.4 GHz wireless wrist remote control. Let you easily operate the camera while skiing, cycling, surfing, etc. The remote is not waterproof. Upgrade series of AKASO V50, featuring 4K 30fps, 2.7K 30fps and 2K 60fps video resolution, Akaso V50X action camera enables you to take incredible Ultra HD videos, clearly recording the beauty and wonders in life. Intuitive touchscreen. With a touchscreen and simple, streamlined capture modes, it's easy to jump right in and get great shots. Just swiping or chasing your dog around the yard. Long battery life. Akaso V50X action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1350 mAh batteries, which support video recording up to 180 minutes. And 17 accessories kit fits most action cameras, even GoPro. Adjustable view angle. You can set the view angle of this action camera according to your needs between 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees and 70 degrees. Turn on distortion. Number 5. Insta360 GO. Move the camera all you'd like. Go2's horizon leveling algorithms will keep the video upright and steady no matter what. Dunk Go2 up to 4 meters without a worry, no case needed. Then pop your underwater video into the app, and AI-powered Aquavision will color correct it. Jam-pack all the action into a speedy hyperlapse with time shift mode, up to 6x faster than real life. Slow motion couldn't handle the speed. Slow a key moment down to 4x slow-mo in super smooth 120 fps. Time-lapse. Pick a spot and record a stationary time-lapse from any angle. At night, turn on night lapse mode and Go2 will auto-adjust the exposure and intervals. Wi-Fi preview. Use the app to preview your shot in real time over Wi-Fi and adjust settings on the fly. Auto-editing. AI-powered flash cut makes editing easy. It takes your favorite clips, puts them in a story, and edits them together on beat to music. Charge case. A pocket-sized case that's also a charger, remote control and tripod.